Hello everyone, welcome to Arpita Sharma classes. I am Arpita Sharma, your educator, and today we are going to conduct the practice mock paper for prelims 2021, 22 and 23. आप सभी का स्वागत है आज की क्लास में. Today the theme of the mock test will be art and culture. आज का theme mock test का होगा art and culture. So I'm hoping that you will score very good in this mock test. It's a very easy mock test prepared from the NCERTs. आज का mock test ना NCERT से तैयार किया गया है, तमिलनाडु NCERTs. So I hope you will participate in the mock test and you will score very good in this mock test. One more thing, if you are aiming to clear prelims, the history portion of prelims, then make sure that you are preparing NCERTs very well. अगर आपको लगता है कि हिस्ट्री के जो 8 से 10 क्वेश्चन आते हैं आपके प्रीलिम्स में, उसमें आप अच्छा स्कोर करना चाहते हैं, कम से कम उन क्वेश्चंस को आप पूरी तरीके से गारंटीड वे में करेक्ट मार्क करना चाहते हैं, तो NCERT से प्रिपेयर जरूर कीजिएगा. ठीक है, क्लास 11 to class 12 NCERTs are very important. So let's start. Before that, here's a small announcement for all of you. Now, Unacademy Plus has launched the optional category of subscription. Abhi, so far you were just taking subscription for all the GS papers. But now they have started a separate optional category. If you do not wish to subscribe for the GS papers and if you want to prepare your optional only, then you can join the optional category of Unacademy Plus. Here there will be dedicated focus on optional subject. 20 optional subjects will be accessible on Unacademy Plus. There will be optional test series also. Personal doubt clearing sessions will also be provided and PDF and study material will also be provided. Right? So over here you can see that all the optionals are being covered. सारे optionals इसमें covered हैं. And the pricing chart is very affordable. बिकॉज बाहर मार्केट में आप देखोगे तो 4 महीने के ही 50,000 ले लेते हैं, राइट. बट हियर फॉर 6 months the subscription price is 22,500 plus you will be getting 10% discount also by using this code sharma20. ये कोड sharma20 यूज करके आपको इजीली 10% डिस्काउंट भी मिल जाएगा अपने ऑप्शनल पे, राइट. सो दिस इज द ऑप्शनल कैटेगरी चार्ट. ये आपका ऑप्शनल कैटेगरी का चार्ट है. 12 month subscription if you are taking for your optional 27,500, discount of 10% if you use this code. So you can subscribe to Unacademy Plus's optional category if you want to prepare your optional at the comfort of your home. अगर आप अपने घर के कंफर्ट में इस पैंडेमिक में बाहर नहीं निकलना चाहते और आराम से घर पे ही ऑप्शनल की तैयारी करना चाहते हैं, डेडिकेटेड गाइडेंस चाहते हैं, तो आप Unacademy Plus के ऑप्शनल कैटेगरी को सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं. The link is given below in the description box. Link to subscribe is given in the description box. You can click on the link and subscribe today. Let's start the test. Now every question will be of 2 marks each and negative marking of 1/3 marks. Okay. So I will ask you all, request you all to let me know your scores in the comment section. Comment section में मुझे अपने scores जरूर बताइएगा. Question number 1. Consider the following statements regarding Harappan civilization. The bronze statues were made using lost wax technique. Dancing girl is the world's oldest bronze sculpture. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? So you have again 15 seconds time to answer this question. 15 सेकेंड का टाइम है आप लोगों के पास इस क्वेश्चन को आंसर करने का. फटाफट से आंसर कीजिए. The correct answer to this question is, इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट आंसर है, it is C. That is both the statements are correct. दोनों ही statements absolutely correct हैं. C is the correct answer. So the bronze statues, they were made using lost wax technique. Now in this technique, the wax figures are first coated with wet clay and allowed to dry. This is the technique. Then the clay coated figures are heated, allowing the wax inside to melt. And the dancing girl is world's oldest bronze sculpture made using this technique. होता क्या है, वैक्स फिगर बनाई जाती है, उसको क्ले से कोट कर दिया जाता है, फिर उस क्ले को सूखने दिया जाता है, राइट. अब उस क्ले फिगर को जब वो सूख कर एकदम कठोर हो जाती है, राइट, उसको मेल्ट किया जाता है, तो अंदर की जो वैक्स है, वो वैक्स जो होती है, मोम जो होती है, वो पिघल जाती है, राइट. तो एक मजबूत ठोस आपको स्कल्पचर देखने को मिलता है. एंड जस्ट इमेजिन a wax, a bronze statue or sculpture using the lost wax technique. Over here you can see it is surviving till today. आप सोच सकते हो किस लेवल की इंटेलिजेंस उस टाइम पर लोगों पे होगी जो उन्होंने इस तरीके का बढ़िया स्कल्पचर बनाया जो आज तक सरवाइव कर पा रहा है. It is found in Mohenjo-daro, and this is 4-inch figure depicts a naked girl wearing only ornaments which include bangles in the left arm, amulet and bracelet on the right arm. She stands in a Tribhanga posture, dancing posture, with the right hand on her hip. Tribhanga means when the head is tilted, the hip is tilted and the knee is bent. इसे त्रिभंगा posture बोलते हैं. ठीक है. Next question. Consider the following statements regarding Indian cinema. The first full-length picture was produced by Dada Saheb Phalke. Bhanu Athaiya becomes first Indian to win an Oscar. No Indian film is nominated for Academy Award till date. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? कौन सा statement correct है इन तीनों में से? जल्दी से बताएं. 15 seconds time you have. 15 सेकंड का टाइम है आप लोगों के पास, जल्दी से बताएं. करेक्ट आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन इज, इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट आंसर है, इट इज ए. Statement 1 and 2 are correct. Statement number 3 is wrong because 3 Indian films, Mother India, Salaam Bombay and Lagan, they were nominated for the Academy Awards for Best Foreign Language Film. So statement number 3 is wrong. Coming on to the next question. Next question देख लेते हैं. Question number 3. Consider the following pairs. Festivals are given and states are given. Chapchar Kut, Sikkim. Losar Festival, Arunachal Pradesh. Mautsu Mong, Nagaland. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? कौन सा pair correctly matched है, जल्दी से बताएं. You have 15 seconds time to identify the correct pair. The correct answer to this question is, इस question का correct answer है, it is C. C is the correct answer. Losar festival belongs to Arunachal Pradesh. Mautsu Mong is celebrated in Nagaland. These two are correctly matched. Chapchar Kut is not celebrated in Sikkim. It is celebrated in Mizoram. ये मिजोरम में celebrate किया जाता है, सिक्किम में नहीं. ठीक है. So over here you can see Chapchar Kut is a festival of Mizoram. ये मिजोरम का फेस्टिवल है. It is celebrated during March after the completion of Jhum operation, that is the jungle clearing operation. It's a spring festival celebrated with great favor and gaiety. Now Losar is a major festival in Arunachal Pradesh. It marks the Tibetan New Year. Okay, so here the tribes like Wonpa, Shedukpens, Memba, Kamba, Na, they follow the Mahayana sector of Buddhism and they celebrate this festival. तो आप basically बोल सकते हो जो Mahayana sector of Buddhism को follow करते हैं वो इस festival को celebrate करते हैं. It's a 3-day festival, right? It is celebrated from May 1 to 3 each year. Then the Mautsu Mang festival, it is celebrated in the Mokokchung district of Nagaland, and it is a festival of the Ao tribe in Nagaland. Again, it marks the completion of sowing season. During this festival, people savor the taste of local delicacies and enjoy cultural programs. Coming on to the next question. Question number 4. Which of the following cultural heritages of India is or are included in UNESCO's list of intangible cultural heritage? Yoga, Ramlila, Silambam, Chow dance. You have 15 seconds time to answer the question. 15 सेकंड का टाइम है आप लोगों के पास, जल्दी से आंसर करें क्वेश्चन को. Which of these cultural heritages of India are included in UNESCO's list of intangible cultural heritage? Yoga, Ramlila, Silambam और Chow dance. Correct answer to this question is, इस question का correct answer है, it is D, that is 1, 2 and 4 are correct. Okay, so these are the correct options. Currently, no cultural heritage items of India are listed in list of intangible cultural heritage in need of urgent safeguarding. So correct is Yoga, Ramlila and Chow dance. Coming on to the next question. Consider the following pairs. List 1 and list 2 are given. Jallikattu Andhra Pradesh, Kambala Karnataka, Lodi Punjab. So which of them are correctly matched? जल्दी से बताएं कौन सा पेयर इसमें से correctly matched है. Is it 3? Is it 1 and 3? Is it 2 and 3 or is it all of the above? Which of them are correctly matched? जल्दी से बताएं. Correct answer in this particular question is, it is C. That is 2 and 3. Pair 2 and pair 3 are correctly matched. Okay. जल्लीकट्टू आंध्र प्रदेश का पार्ट नहीं है, ये तमिलनाडु में सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है. ठीक है. इट इज रिलेटेड टू तमिलनाडु. So this is wrong. Coming on to the next question. Question number 6. Consider the following statements regarding puppetry in India. Kundei is a type of puppetry largely practiced in Rajasthan. Katputli is a type of puppetry largely practiced in Odisha. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? कौन सा statement correct है जल्दी से बताएं. Correct answer to this question is, it is D. Neither of the above statements are correct. दोनों ही गलत हैं. Right? Now it is said that Kundei is a type of puppetry which is practiced in Rajasthan. Wrong. It is practiced in Odisha. ओडिशा में प्रैक्टिस किया जाता है ये. ठीक है. तो स्टेटमेंट गलत हो गया. कठपुतली इज अ टाइप ऑफ पपेट्री लार्जली प्रैक्टिस्ड इन ओडिशा. अगेन रॉन्ग. कठपुतली इज प्रैक्टिस्ड इन राजस्थान. कठपुतली का आपने सुना होगा राजस्थान से रिलेटेड रहता है. सो बोथ द स्टेटमेंट्स आर इनकरेक्ट. कमिंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Consider the following statements regarding Kutiyattam. It is one of the oldest traditional theatre forms of Tamil Nadu and is based on Sanskrit theatre traditions. It is officially recognized by UNESCO as a masterpiece of the oral and intangible heritage of humanity. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? Read the question very carefully and then answer it. करेक्ट आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट आंसर है, इट इज बी. स्टेटमेंट 2 इज करेक्ट. स्टेटमेंट 1 इज रॉन्ग. स्टेटमेंट 1 गलत है. राइट. कोटियाट्टम और कोडियाट्टम, it is one of the oldest traditional theatre forms of Kerala which is based on Sanskrit. Right? Not of Tamil Nadu, of Kerala. ठीक है. ये केरला का ओल्डेस्ट ट्रेडिशनल थिएटर आर्ट फॉर्म है, तमिलनाडु का नहीं. सो द स्टेट इज रॉन्ग. यहाँ पर स्टेट गलत है. एंड इट इज ऑफिशियली रिकॉग्नाइज्ड बाय यूनेस्को. यस, दैट इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट. ये करेक्ट है. स्टेटमेंट 1 इज रॉन्ग. स्टेटमेंट 2 इज एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग पेयर्स थिएटर आर्ट स्टेट. तो आपको यहाँ पर थिएटर दिया हुआ है, थिएटर आर्ट, एंड ओवर हियर स्टेट इज गिवन. यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई विच पेयर इज करेक्टली मैच्ड. कौन सा पेयर करेक्टली मैच्ड है ये आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना है. कृष्णाट्टम आंध्र प्रदेश, यक्षागना कर्नाटका, तमाशा गुजरात. अगेन वेरी इजी. ये थर्ड पेयर तो आंसर करना बहुत इजी है क्योंकि इसके ऊपर मूवी भी बनी थी. राइट? देयर वाज अ मूवी आल्सो विद द सेम नेम. सो यू कैन आंसर इट वेरी करेक्टली. You have 10 seconds time to answer this question. Correct answer to this question is, it is D. That is, only second pair is correctly matched. Tamasha is not related to Gujarat. It is a theatre art form of Maharashtra. ठीक है. ये महाराष्ट्र का थिएटर आर्ट फॉर्म है. ठीक है. एंड देन कृष्णाट्टम, it does not belong to आंध्र प्रदेश. It is famous in Kerala. ठीक है. तो ये केरला में फेमस है. सो फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड थर्ड आर इनकरेक्ट. सेकंड इज करेक्ट. एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. फोक डांस इज गिवन एंड रिलेटेड कम्युनिटी इज गिवन. Which of the pairs given above is or are matched correctly? Bizu dance, Chakma community, Hosagiri dance, Bru community, Doregata dance, Khasi community. Which of the dance is correctly matched with the community? जल्दी से बताएं कौन सा डांस फॉर्म कम्युनिटी के साथ करेक्टली मैच्ड है. You have 10 seconds time to answer the question. फटाफट से बताएं. Correct answer is it is A. All of the above are correctly matched. तीनों ही correctly matched हैं. Bizu dance belongs to the Chakma community. Hosagiri dance belongs to the Bru community. And Doregata dance belongs to the Khasi community. Bizu dance, particular form of dance, is characteristic of Chakma community. Bizu means Chaitra Sanskriti. Chaitra Sanskriti means end of the Bengali calendar year. Hosagiri dance, theme of the dance remains almost to be the same as of the other tribes. The dance form of Riang or Bru community is quite different from others, which is known as Hosagiri dance. Doregata dance, it is performed by the Khasi community women who try to knock off the turbans of their male partners. Coming on to the 10th question, consider the following statements regarding folk dance in India. Chau folk dance is largely popular in eastern part of India. Dhumal dance is performed by Vatal tribe of Kashmir. Kalbelia dance is performed by women folk of Rajasthan. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? कौन सा statement correct है फटाफट से बताएं. Correct answer to this question is, इस question का correct answer है D. D is the correct answer. That is, all of the above are correct. सारे statements correct हैं. D is the correct answer. Chau is a popular folk dance of Odisha, Bihar, Bengal. Chau means mask. So here the performers, they wear mask while performing the dance form. Dhumal is a dance form performed by the men folk of the Vatal tribe which belongs to Kashmir. And Kalbelia dance is famous in Rajasthan, performed by the women of Kalbelia community. Question number 11. Which among the following is not a form of Indian martial arts? इसमें से कौन सा Indian martial arts का form नहीं है? Which of them is not a form type of Indian martial art? Kalari Payattu, Silambam, Thangta and Bandh Patel. Now the question on Kalari Payattu, there was a news on Kalari Payattu in the month of, I guess, May 2020. May 2020 in the Hindu decoded classes also we covered this topic Kalari Payattu. So the correct answer in this question is, इस question का correct answer है, it is D. That is Bandh Patel, which is a theatre, traditional theatre form of Kashmir. ठीक है, अगर आपने theatre के बारे में पढ़ा है, which is an important part of your UPSC CSE syllabus, so you will know that Bandh Patel is a traditional theatre which belongs to Kashmir. It is not a martial art. Martial art नहीं है. It is a combination of dance, music and acting. 12th question. Consider the following statements regarding Kuchipudi. Kuchipudi performers dance on the rim of a brass plate and with a pitcher full of water on the head. It begins with an invocation to Lord Ganesha followed by Nritta. There is no use of speech during performance in Kuchipudi. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? कौन सा statement correct है जल्दी से बताएं. Which of the statements is or are correct? You have 10 seconds time to answer the question. आपके पास 10 सेकंड का टाइम है क्वेश्चन आंसर करने के लिए. Correct answer is, it is C. Statement 1 and 2 are correct. There is no use of speech in the performance of Kuchipudi. It's wrong. ठीक है, तो there is a use of speech. तो ये statement आपका गलत हो गया. First and second statements are absolutely correct. Question number 13. Consider the following statements regarding classical dance. Sangeet Natak Academy has accorded classical status on eight Indian dance forms. Satriya dance form was introduced in the 18th century AD by Shankara Deva. Mohini Attam is largely performed by women. Which statement is correct? कौन सा statement correct है? You have 10 seconds time to answer the question. 10 सेकंड का टाइम है, फटाफट से आंसर करें क्वेश्चन को. Which statement is correct? Correct answer to this question is, it is C. C is the correct answer. Statement 1 and 3 are correct. Statement 1 and 3 correct है because here Satriya dance form, it originated in Assam in the 15th century, not the 18th century. 18th century में नहीं, 15th century में ये originate हुआ था. ठीक है. Question number 14. Consider the following statements regarding Odissi dance. Origin of Odissi dance dates back to 15th century. Techniques of movement are built around the two basic postures of Chaukhand and Tribhanga. Lyricism of the Odissi poem sung in background is based on Gita Govinda. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? जो lyrics है Odissi poem के, वो गीता गोविंदा के बेस पे गाए जाते हैं. थर्ड स्टेटमेंट. सेकंड स्टेटमेंट कहता है कि टेक्निक्स जो है इस ओडिसी डांस फॉर्म के, ये दो पोस्टर्स के आसपास ही मंडराते हैं, वो है चौखंड एंड त्रिभंगा. उन्हीं के बेस पे टेक्निक्स यूज किए जाते हैं. फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट कह रहा है कि ओडिसी डांस फॉर्म 15th सेंचुरी में ओरिजिनेट हुआ था. करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट कौन सा है? विच ऑफ देम इज करेक्ट? सो द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट इज स्टेटमेंट नंबर बी. ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट. आपका ऑप्शन बी एकदम करेक्ट है. Right, that means statement 2 and 3 are correct. Statement 1 is wrong, right, because it was originated around 2nd century BC, not 15th century. Odissi, originally it is from Odisha. It's a dance of love and passion touching on the divine and the human, and it dates back to the 2nd century BC. It's a highly stylized dance. To some extent it is based on the classical Natya Shastra and Abhinay Darpana. The techniques of the movement are built around two basic postures of Chaukhand, the Tribhanga. The Chauk is a position imitating a square, a very masculine stance where the weight of the body equally balanced. And Tribhanga is a very feminine stance where the body is deflected at neck, torso and the knees. Tribhanga posture is the same posture that we saw in the dancing girl statue. Okay. Question number 15. Natya Shastra is a notable ancient treatise influencing dance, music and literary traditions in India. It is notable for its aesthetic rasa theory. What does the theory assert? ये rasa theory जिसके ऊपर नाट्य शास्त्र लिखी गई है, ये theory क्या कहती है? Performance of arts is intended purely for entertainment. Pleasure and happiness are the foundation of human's life. Performance of arts is a tool to raise individual consciousness for spiritual upliftment. Primary goal of ragas in music is to give it a natural flavor, one that appeals to all creatures and not only human beings. Correct answer, correct option in this question is, इस question का correct option है, mark it very carefully, बहुत ही carefully इसको mark करिएगा. So the correct answer to this question is, इस question का correct answer है, it is C. Performance of arts is a tool to raise individual consciousness for spiritual upliftment. That is why the rasa theory has been propounded, to connect the individual consciousness to the spirit, to the highest force. So let me know your scores in the comment section. Comment section में अपने scores जरूर मुझे बताइएगा, because based on that we can monitor your performance in the mock test, right? Do let me know your scores. Till then, thank you everyone for participating in the class.